Welcome back to Chandler Park Goat Stud. We're a Boer Goat Stud in the Riverina in New South Wales. We breed full-blood Boer goats, so all our goats can be traced back to the first ones that were brought over from South Africa. Yeah, that's what we do. We breed Boer goats. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that, but this is more for new people. And here comes Wifey in the ute. It's Paul and Saul's last day of autumn joining, so they're going to be a bit sad. So yeah, we're pulling them off the does. We're bringing the does all back together so they can mob up. And yeah, we're going to have a look at a few and just get most of them back into the yards and just yeah, do our usual work. I'm on Christmas holidays. Merry Christmas, everyone. So yeah, we're just making the most of the time off. All those little jobs that we've been putting aside, it's now the time to try and knock them over. So yeah, a day of little things but very useful things for the farm. All right, hope you enjoy. Okay, so this guy is one of our stud bucks. He just had a bit of a mucky bum, so I pulled him out of the paddock. And we're just going to give him a bit of a clean, and then he'll go back in a bit later. But this is the latest thing we do. The moment they get scoured, we just get them in the yard, saves it spreading through. Not one of the best jobs to do in the world. That's it. The jobs that need doing. And then you can see very easily if he's got fresh scours or it's all old. All right. Oh. There you go. Yeah, a few splashes on the camera. There we go, looking a bit better. Looking a bit better, aren't you? Bit of Pantene Pro V and you're all sorted. Good job, honey. Good job. You're getting a bit mobbed there. Up, 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 up. The paddock here with our autumn kitters. It's a bit of a sad day for Mr. Paul here. He's had his girls to play with for about 8 weeks now. And it's time to say goodbye. Hopefully he has done his job. And we've got lots of pregnant does in here. And oh, he's still pretty keen. Still pretty keen. Typical, the day we want to pull him out. That's a bit confusing. Hopefully she's not coming on heat. She is too. Now why are you flicking your tail? If you're flicking your tail, you're not pregnant. So yeah, he's had his fun. Hopefully all of these are pregnant. Yeah, bless you. Alrighty, so we pulled the girls off, giving them a bit of a back line because they're going into a new paddock. And then we're going to walk this man by himself back into the yards. And unfortunately, one of these in here was still flicking her tail and looking all interested in Paul. So you get another week, mate. You get another week. You better make the most of it. My man Saul being a bit skittish. He's been so used to having his girls with him, he doesn't want to go by himself. So we're going to go get the young bucks who are in the paddock that he's going into, and he should all, or they should follow as a mob, and then it'll be easier. So we will see. I wouldn't advise this to anyone, but if you have to, just get in the race with them. What could possibly go wrong? And look, a drama. I need a new pair of shorts. Alright, you hold the camera and do some chatting. Okay. There we go.
Alright. Sorry, I'm not a very good film person. Drenching. Job, Brian.
Swallow.
And these girls are very much enjoying a green peak down by the race.
Mission accomplished. Drenched, backlined. Blue goats. It's tractor time. So near but so far. In there. Job done. But the old pant situation is getting worse. So I got my bucket of grain. Yum, yum, yum. And I hopefully got some hungry blue Smurfs. Come on, 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 come on. And they're going to go into a new paddock. Back, 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 back. Back, 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 back. Come on, come on. Come on. Don't go up that way. Hey, hey, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. In you come, in you come, in you come. Good girls. Hey. I think they know where they're going. Whoa, we tricked ya! We tricked ya! Ah, new paddock. New paddock, new paddock. Go ahead, new feet of the... Ah. Up top. For the shallow ones. There you go. Ah. Okay, successful. And the four little maidens seem to have joined quite happily. Normally there's headbutting and... Sorry Harriet, nothing in there. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. They're looking at the gate. I'm going to make a run for it. Oh. Oh well, these ones will be very happy for the next little while. We might keep sort of chopping and changing. Don't know yet. It's all fluid, we just go with the flow. Isn't that right, honey?
That's right, honey.
Hello, hello. It's empty. It's empty. Buckethead. Now we got the springers. Carmel's just shutting the gate. Good job. And there's little Sonny, you might remember from earlier videos. He's still pretty quiet and he's still pretty little. Alright, so in here we've got the last of the does that have been on their mums a little bit longer. We just try and give them as much time as possible on the mums. So yeah, 77 I really like. Where's Misty? 69, 70. Anyway, Misty. Oh yeah, this one here, Misty. But yeah, pretty happy with our spring drop. And that's it. We've got a paddock full of Smurfs. But that's what we want. Happy Smurfs. Come on, sunshine. In you go, in you go, in you go. And they can all go across to the new paddock. Kids aren't going to be very happy. No, taking your mummies away. Of course, there's always one. Faith, in you go. That's it. And then these mums can now rest and recover. Alrighty, well that's about it for another episode. We'll get these girls back into their new home and get the little kids back in the kidding paddock, and then we are done for the day. So hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and like everyone else, we hope 2021 is much better than 2020. Couldn't really get much worse, surely. So yeah, if you liked the video, push the like button, subscribe, and then we can keep doing more. And there's a little alarm bell. If you tick that or click that, then you get notifications every time I put a new video up. But yeah, hope you like them, and yeah, we'll see you next time at Chandler Park Boer Goat Stud. All right, see ya.